Hey guys, my name's Adam Sheridan and I'm the Marketing and Sales Manager here at PigOut Roasters. And I'm really excited to showcase our propane roaster and outdoor cooking center for you today.
The PigOut Propane Roaster is manufactured here in Canada using high-grade 16-gauge 304 stainless steel and is TIG welded without rivets for a lifetime of repeated use without rust or warping. Heated by two incredibly fuel-efficient, smoke and fume-free 57,000 BTU burners that sit within a bevel of the body to protect them from drippings and flare-ups. All you need is a traditional 20-pound barbecue propane tank, and you can cook a 120-pound pig in approximately 6 hours without running out of fuel. The heat-resistant tempered glass panels on the front door even let you and your guests watch in amazement as your pig roasts to perfection. The bottom of the body has a valve incorporated within it to make it easy to collect your drippings for use in gravies, but also makes cleaning incredibly easy. In less than 20 minutes, you can have your roaster looking good as new using just soap and water to flush out the grease and fat. The 60-inch solid stainless steel spit hole is accompanied by all of the necessary clamps to allow you to rotisserie a variety of meats up to 160 pounds, whether it be lamb, turkeys, hips of beef, pigs of course, or for our southern friends, even gators. The roaster is powered by a 1/20th horsepower, direct drive, American-made Bison motor that rotates at 2 revolutions per minute, which is ideal for perfect, succulent rotisserie meats. When it comes time to carve, you simply move your pig into the carving position located at the top of the roaster, slide in the carving tray, and you're ready to go. These units are 100% composed of American and Canadian parts, ETL and CSA approved, and are backed by a lifetime warranty on the body and burners, so you know your investment will continue to produce returns year after year. The 10-inch pneumatic all-terrain tires are accompanied by a wagon axle for ultimate maneuverability and ease of transportation, with a locking mechanism in place to allow you to conquer uneven grounding. Whether it be grass, sand, gravel, or even snow, this unit can tackle it with ease. The propane roaster is even designed to fit through traditional sized doors and garden gates, so getting to that backyard event won't be a problem.
Alright, so now that we've taken a look at the propane roaster, we're going to pass things over to Drew Zimmerman, our executive chef in the kitchen, and he's going to give you a more in-depth look at the accessories that are available for your roaster.
Thanks, Adam. To get things started, I'd like to show you guys one of my favorite additional accessories for the roaster, and that is the Rotisserie Basket Set. To get things started, you will need the 4 rotisserie baskets, the roasting pole, 2 end plates, the red handled tool, plus a table long enough to lay the baskets out flat. Begin by sliding one of the end plates through the pole using one of the baskets to make sure it is centered. Once everything is sitting flat and lined up, you can tighten the collars to the pole. The baskets are designed to simply just hang in place. Move the pole to your roaster, hang the baskets, and you're ready to cook. Each basket can accommodate 10 whole chickens, multiple prime ribs, strip loins, top sirloin, or other cuts of beef, veggies, sausages, and more. Once on site, roll your roaster into a sheltered location from the wind or weather. Ensure the drain valve is closed so you don't end up with a greasy mess on your patio. Remove the doors and you can now put the hex end of the pole into the motor socket. The other end of the pole will rest on a set of heavy-duty bearings to ensure a smooth rotation during cooking. Connect the propane tank to the roaster, and you can hang it on the built-in tank holder. Place the propane bumper around the tank to add an extra bit of security from any mishaps. Turn the burner to low, push it in, and click the igniter. You should see a small blue flame. Be careful, sometimes the roaster doesn't look like it's lit when it actually is. After holding the pilot for about 30 seconds, you can let go and turn to high heat, and repeat this for the other burner. Run an extension cord to the roaster and turn on the motor. Check to make sure everything is tight and no parts of the pig are catching on the roaster. On high heat, you should expect about a 15 to 20 pound an hour cook time. The average 20 pound tank of propane should last about 6 hours, which means you should be able to cook a 120 pound pig on 1 tank of propane in 6 hours. This pig here is about 85 pounds and should take a little bit more than 4 hours. Once the pig has come up to 165 degrees, it's safe to come off. Turn the gas and remove the doors. Using some dry rags, get someone to help you lift the pig out of the roaster and put it on the handled meat tray that's already in the bottom of the insulated bag. You can now take the cooked pig to your dining room where we have the tabletop carving stand set up and begin to carve. Alternately, you can carve directly off the machine. Remove the doors and set up the sneeze guard. Lift the pig into the carving position. You can now place a steam pan and carving tray under the pig, perfect for keeping the meat hot while you're carving and serving. Whole pigs yield about a 50% meat yield, which means a 100-pound pig should have about 50 pounds of meat come off of it. A good recommendation for a dinner portion would be a half a pound of meat per guest. So for planning purposes, always use 1 pound of pig per guest to allow a half-pound portion.
The next accessory I want to show you guys is the grow racks. This is one of my favorites. Definitely will add some more versatility to your roaster. Perfect for grilling, steaming, roasting, all sorts of cuts of meat. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put some the grow racks inside the roaster. Very simple. They just set right in like so.
The roaster has capacity for up to 4 grow racks. The grow racks are perfectly situated above the burners to allow perfect temperatures for indirect grilling, baking, or hot holding. Ideal for whole cuts of beef, sausages, chicken breasts, veggies, pork belly, or my personal favorite, 9 whole sides of cedar plank salmon, ready in as little as 15 minutes. The grill racks also work in conjunction with our rib racks, which will allow you to cook up to 32 racks of ribs in one batch. In addition to the grill racks, the roaster is also designed to fit up to 4 chafing steam pans, so when you're done cooking, you can wheel the roaster right up to the buffet and serve your guests piping hot food without the need for dangerous and expensive chafing fuel.